This might be a real short mission.
All right, everyone with me. Eyes open.
Our guy did this, maybe. Impressive shooting, if you ask me.
Nobody asked you.
Shh.
What now, Sergeant?
Move. 5 meters spread. That way.
It's a PBL!
Get the RPG from that terrorist up there.
Hey, why'd those guys just light us up? Probably to make sure we didn't get Aguirre. Telling you guys, he's gotta still be alive. So what's the plan, Sarge? Call Flynn, X-File out?
I told you no. Okay. Maybe we want to find a vehicle.
I don't like this river.
Just keep your eyes open.
This weapon shit, though. You think Braidwood's telling us everything?
How the fuck should I know? I'm just a grunt. Not like that house. Shit, Bird. I'm just doing my job.
Okay, well, see, I got a theory.
Whoa! Don't switch your channel. This side of me.
No, check it out. If the guys who just hit us are paramilitaries, they gotta be on someone's payroll.
Whose?
That's the question. Someone interested in a crime, I guess. Shit. Did you see that? Probably birds.
Maybe. Just keep scanning.
They're just watching us. Why are they just watching us?
Wait, I saw it too. Oh, there is something up there.
Yeah. Do you see it?
No. Maybe. I don't know. I'm seeing shit.
Let's get out of here.
Oh, great. Ramming so much better. Maybe one day we'll visit somewhere like this and not shoot the natives.
Yeah. Sure we will.
We just got ambushed by a bunch of raggedy-ass militia. We're gonna Oscar Mike upriver to follow a lead to Aguirre, but we're low on firepower.
Okay, I got a bunch of kids just rustling away here for a rainy day if you dig, but I'll put it in the air for you. How's that?
Many thanks, Ghost Rider. All right, let's go.
Nothing like a little ambush to get the blood circulating. How's the hypertension, Sergeant?
Let's just go get the goddamn supply crate before they catch up. Any weapons we find from now on. We can equip whatever we have found from crates like this. Got it?
Yeah, Sarge, thanks. I'm not unfamiliar with how crates work.
Ghost Rider, got the crate. Thanks.
Okay, Bravo 2, that's cool. Ghost Rider out.
We need to keep moving if we want to find Aguirre.
¡Están subiendo! ¡Vamos por ellos! ¡Estoy cambiando cargador! ¡Cúbreme!
See that guy?